Hey guys, I hope y'all had a great weekend and that you survived last week's winter freeze. Today I'll be discussing a topic that every homeowner is bound to face, especially living in Houston. Does my home insurance cover for water damage? There are several answers to this question, depending on your specific situation. While there are hundreds of scenarios that could lead to water leaks in a home, we're going to go over 4 of the main causes of water damage and whether or not a home insurance policy will cover for them. Number 1. A freak winter freeze occurs, shutting down the entire state, causing your pipes to freeze and burst and covering your floors in water. Will home insurance pay for the repairs? Maybe. If you kept your home heated and left water running and your pipes still bust, your home insurance company will pay for water damages. But if you left the house unoccupied and didn't prepare for the freeze, your claim will more than likely be denied. Number 2. A heavy rainstorm or hurricane causes water to leak through the roof, damaging the roof, interior of the house, and the furniture. Will home insurance cover for this type of damage? Again, it depends. If the storm created an actual opening in the roof, allowing water to seep into the house, your insurance company will pay for damages to the roof, the building, and the furniture. Depending on the insurance company, though, there are endorsements that you can add onto the policy that will pay for damages whether or not an actual opening was made in the roof for water to seep in. This is known as wind-driven rain coverage. Select insurance companies offer this type of coverage, so it is crucial to have a discussion with your agent to ensure that you're adequately protected. It is also important to keep in mind that Texas home insurance policies have a separate deductible for wind, rain, and hail losses. Most homeowners carry a deductible of 2% of the dwelling value for this peril. So for instance, if your home is insured for $200,000 and you have a 2% deductible for wind and rain losses, you would have to pay $4,000 out of your own pocket before the insurance company paid for any damages. Number 3. A sewer backs up on your street and floods your home, damaging your floors and furniture. Does home insurance cover for this type of water damage? No. A standard home insurance policy does not cover for backup of sewer systems into homes. However, most insurance companies do offer an endorsement that can be added onto the policy at a nominal cost. It provides coverage at a set limit for any damages related to sewer backup. Number 4. Your dishwasher suddenly goes nuts and floods your entire kitchen floor. Does home insurance cover for this type of loss? It depends. If you fail to maintain your dishwasher, the insurance company will not pay for damages as the loss was caused by a lack of maintenance. However, if the loss was caused by a sudden or accidental discharge of water on an otherwise fully operational appliance, then you will be covered for damages. These are just a few of the many situations that homeowners can face when it comes to water damage. They are not black and white answers, but are more of a guide on how home insurance works when it comes to water losses. Every home insurance claim is different, and whether or not you get paid depends on your specific situation and how your policy is structured. For more information, please call our office today, and one of our staff would be more than happy to assist you with any questions you may have on homeowners insurance. Thanks again for tuning in today, guys. Please be sure to like our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow our blog on our website. The links are in the description right below. We would love your feedback, so if there are any topics or questions that you want us to answer, please feel free to shoot us a message and we'll be sure to have some content out for you. Thanks again for listening and have a great week.